Hello, I'm Ralf Rierk from m-tec in Germany. I'm technical application specialist, and we do now the cleaning of the SMP Connect. First, we close the silo flap. If you have a cell feeder, switch to 0. We start the mixer and pump together to empty the most material. Water in the end is coming. Open the motor. We put a bucket underneath, open behind. On the control panel, we have a water hose with a cleaning device. Switch on this switch to cleaning. Take away the bucket, lock, fill clear water in the pump and pumping through the water. So we clean the starter rotor, close the motor, and now we let run the pumping motor for a short time. We disconnect the hose, we put in the sponge ball. There is the cleaning device. We connect the hose, open the water, the sponge ball. We do it 2 times. Wash out the pumping end piece. Don't forget that, it's very important. Open here, take out the mixing shaft, clean it, clean this, cover the dry area with the Foley so no water goes in the dry area, very important. So I can wash out with water the whole part. This part is completely dry, or we dry it with a towel. Take away the Foley, put back the mixing shaft, close the pump. So SMP is finished cleaned. Now, if we want, we can start again.